Welcome back to my channel नीलू's classroom. आओ कुछ नया सीखें. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Choose the correct meaning of the given words. Bad or hurting others. Options are afraid, clever, cruel, hunt. The correct answer is cruel. At last or at the end. The options are angry, clever, finally, reply. And the correct answer is finally. To try to fight or hurt. Options are attack, middle, pleased, trick. The correct answer is attack. To not let others see. Options are agree, hide, safe, well. The correct answer is hide. The lowest path. Options are bottom, lot, moment, promise. The correct answer is bottom. Angry. The options are happy, low, mad, scared. The correct answer is mad. Moment. Options are a hole with water in it, a short time, at the center, at the end. The correct answer is a short time. Promise. To say good job, to say I will, to say the end, to say maybe. The correct answer is to say I will. Reply. To answer, to get a place, to look for in order to kill, to try to fight or hurt. The correct answer is to answer. Safe. Fool. Having much or many. Not seen. Not worried about being hurt. The correct answer is not worried about being hurt. Check the sentence with the bolded word that makes better sense. A clever person can solve a puzzle easily. When a plane arrives, it leaves the ground and goes into the sky. The correct sentence is a clever person can solve a puzzle easily. At noon, the sun is near the bottom of the sky. If I break my brother's bike, he will be angry. The correct option is if I break my brother's bike, he will be angry. It is easy to hide in a dark place. Many kinds of fish are afraid of water. The correct answer is it is easy to hide in a dark place. At night, your parents may say, hide your eyes and go to sleep. Heavy things will go down to the bottom of the ocean. The correct answer is heavy things will go down to the bottom of the ocean. It is cruel to keep a dog in a small cage all day. Your mother will be angry when you get good grades in school. The correct answer is it is cruel to keep a dog in a small cage all day. Animals cannot hunt because they do not have hands. It is good idea to arrive early for class. The correct answer is it is good idea to arrive early for class. People sometimes attack pictures to email messages. Some people are afraid of spiders. The correct answer is some people are afraid of spiders. A moment is like a second or two. New shoes are usually not very comfortable or clever. The correct answer is a moment is like a second or two. Small animals do not usually attack big animals. There are 12 moments in a year. The correct answer is small animals do not usually attack big animals. A cruel person will try to help others at all time. You can use a gun to hunt in the forest. The correct answer is you can use a gun to hunt in a forest.